Good morning, girls. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is the factors of migration. Here, the meaning of factors. Factors means the causes of migration. Why do people move or why do people migrate? Generally, we have divided these factors into two parts. One is called the pull factor, another one is called the push factor. Now, what is this pull and push? In a door, any shopping mall or anywhere in the glass door, maybe you have seen that pull is written and push is written. Pull means you are pulling that thing towards yourself, and push means you are pushing that thing. Now, pull factor means these factors are those which attracts the people from different places. That means something that is very much attractive, that's why people are going towards that particular place. Suppose, for example, I can tell you, suppose in Shiliguri you are not getting a subject which you want to study for your higher studies, but that subject you are getting in Kolkata's college. So obviously you will shift to the Kolkata. So this is a pull factor of Kolkata having that particular attraction. Suppose I am not getting job over here, but if I know I will shift to Bangalore, I will get huge amount of the jobs. So that is a pull factor for Bangalore. So this is actually the small attraction which attract the people towards a particular place, that is called the pull factor. Now you have seen that previous I said the trend of the migration is rural to urban migration. Rural to urban migration is the trend of Indian migration. Why it is so? Because we know urban areas having good amount of opportunities. In rural areas, you will not get the opportunities. You will not get better medical facility. You will not get better educational system. You will not get maybe the regular jobs and all. So obviously people are attracted towards the urban areas to move towards that place. Even in the rural areas, another problems are there, like you will not get proper wage of your work, you will not get work for the entire year. That's why people shift to the urban area. So this is also the pull factor for urban area. Suppose in case of the health facility, suppose we know still the people those who are suffering from the different diseases like cancer and all, they are preferred to go Chennai, Bombay and all, because these cities are having good opportunities of medical facilities, whereas Shiliguri doesn't have. So this is a pull factor for those particular Bombay or Chennai or those cities. Now the push factors. Push factors, opposite thing. Push factors are those factors which push people, or which is the cause because of that people want to leave that place or leave his origin or leave his permanent residence. Push factors are those factors, or we can say push factors are those negative factors which bound you to leave that place, or which forces you to leave your last place of residence or to leave your original place. Now, push factor means you can go for the rural and urban example only. In the rural areas, suppose the poverty is one of the push factor. If the people are poor, they are attracting towards the positive things about the cities. They know that if they will come to the city, they will get job, they will get health care and all. So they are coming towards this. So for that particular village, there the poverty, the lack of opportunities, the push factor of that particular area. Apart from these things, there are some other things also, that is the natural calamities. Suppose a flood occurred, suppose a cyclone occurred, suppose in a place earthquake occurred. So people, what they want to do, they want to leave that area. So this is also can be a push factor. Now, in this push factor and pull factor, a particular reason can be a push factor, can be a pull factor. Suppose educational opportunity, it can be a push factor, it can be a pull factor. Delhi having good amount of the colleges, good educational facilities, so it is a pull factor for Delhi. But side by side, if you think about Kalimpong, or if you think about any village of India, so where you will find less amount of the educational facilities, so that is a push factor for that particular place. Now see a small video and it will help you to understand precisely about this pull factor and the push factor. Now see, in this video, the first question arises: why people do migrate? Why do people move? So obviously we know the things are there are different reasons for a people because of they want to move. It's not like that all the people having the same reasons. So the first factor we are talking about, that is a push factor. As I said earlier, push factor means the people are bound to leave a area. So there are different kind of the push factors. Side by side pull factors which attracts the people toward that particular area. Now, what is the basic reason behind this push and pull factor? As I said earlier, now I will discuss it point wise. Now, in case of the push factors, why I will leave that area? Maybe some reasons will be there. Now, these reasons are divided category wise. Now, push factors are divided in particular categories. The first one is the social factor. If the lack of education is there, poor medical facilities are there, so obviously I will leave that place. The second factor, that is the economic factor. Under economic factor, unemployment could be a push factor, work condition bad, that is a push factor and all. And the third condition is there that we are talking about, that is the in particular areas defense, or in the particular areas political situation. Suppose in a particular area the political situation is not good, war is there, so obviously that is a push factor. Now see the pull factors. Like the push factor, pull factor also having some sub points. Like the first pull factor we are talking about, that is a social facilities. If in a place we are getting plenty of foods, plenty of services, medical services, educational facilities, so obviously people will pull towards that place. So this is a pull factor. Now the second point is economic factor. Job opportunity, better quality of the life, good payment, so that could attract the people towards a particular place. And the last one, that is again the political condition, democracy, freedom. If you will enjoy democracy, freedom, so obviously you will attract towards that place. So this is about the push factor and pull factor. But in case of migration, migration is a global phenomenon. In the worldwide, people are moving. It's not within the India, it is outside of India also. So this is a very important topic. Why people are moving? What are the factors of this movement? So we need to think about that. Thank you so much.